Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
10th A, your attendance is always so less.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Only two students, Harsh and Kartikeya, they are regular in 10th A. Otherwise, I've seen in 10th
Morning,
A.
ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. The strength is so less. Why is it so? Tenth A students, I'm asking you, why is your attendance so less?
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bachas. Good morning. But answer my question, 10th A. How many are there from 10th A? Raise your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Just Kartikeya and Harsh, they are regular. Other students are never regular.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, bacha. Why are you people so irregular? Why don't you come for classes? Acha chalo. You remember modals or forgotten? एक बार let's have a very quick revision. Then you do these exercises. When I say modals, what, where,
Good
which,
morning,
who,
ma'am.
how. Good morning. This, that, these, those, may, might, much, many, some, any, can, could. All these words can be filled in when we are doing modals. So I'll be sharing a exercise with you. First and second question you will do. See the screen. Can you see the screen, the first and the second question?
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
don't write the answers.
Yes,
Don't write
ma'am.
them. But you don't write the answers just now. Okay, just plan your answer. Writing part we'll do when we'll discuss. Chale, your time starts now. The first and the second one. Don't write the answers. Just orally plan your answers. I'll discuss the answers with you. Last ninth, we had done modals in detail. So let us see how many we can fill today. Just do the first and the second one, and that too only oral.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Those who finish now, raise your hands. I'll get to know how many of you have finished. It will be easy for me also. Bhumika has finished. Keep raising your hand so that I know. Bhumika has raised hand. Let's see who else. First and the second children. Two people have already done. Kartikeya has also done. Very good. Kartikeya, today you will enjoy your class. At least there is one more section combined, so there are children in the class. Otherwise, in your class, so you and Harsh, just two children are there in the class 10th. Hurry up, raise your hands. Children, raise your hands. Only two hands yet. Ajit, Akansha, Akshada, jaldi kariye beta. Hurry up. I'm waiting for all of you. Still only two? Never mind, I'll wait. Hurry up, 2 minutes more.
Ma'am, this part we have to send in the group.
Not yet, beta. First, let me discuss the answers, then we'll post.
Okay, ma'am.
Three people now. Harsh has also joined. Kartikeya, Harsh, and there's one more child. I think it's Bhumika. Sanya is also done. Kavyansh, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Dhananjay, Ajit, Akansha, what are you all doing? Chalo, let's start discussing. You remember, we can have more than one answers. If you notice any unlawful incident, you dash call the cops.
Ma'am, should.
May or can.
Ma'am, should.
You
You
can.
should.
Must.
Very good. Who are cops? What do you mean by cops?
Ma'am, police.
Ma'am,
Man.
Police.
Police.
10 participants have already raised hands, 10 students, very good. It is their job that they dash protect us from criminals.
Ma'am, would.
Should.
Ma'am, would.
Ma'am, to protect us.
Should, it is their job that they to protect. नहीं बच्चा दे के बाद टू नहीं आएगा. They should
Ma'am,
protect
would.
us. Next, we dash trust them.
We should.
Ma'am, should.
We should.
Ma'am, we can.
We should.
Must.
Can नहीं
We
बेटा, we
must.
should.
No, should.
We must trust them. Both are correct. Must and should both are correct. And let them do their job. We dash get upset or impatient during security checking.
Should not. Ma'am, we may.
We should.
We may get.
We might.
We might or we may. We may get upset during security checking as it is for our own safety. The guards dash check each and every person to ensure
Mummy
that we are
should.
safe.
Ma'am, should.
Should.
On to the second one. You dash not worry about your child's safety at a daycare.
Need not worry.
Must.
Ma'am, should.
Should not worry.
Ma'am,
need
you
not
should
worry,
not
must not
worry.
Both are
Might.
correct. Might not. All are correct, beta. We have extensive safety rules that each of our employees dash follow.
Ma'am, would.
Must.
Should follow. Should
Follow or
Should
must
follow. Ma'am, should follow.
Should or must both are correct. They dash abide by the rules made.
They must.
Can.
Ma'am, should.
They should.
Ma'am, they
Can
should.
maybe.
Yes, ma'am. They should.
Same time, you dash also ensure that you do not send your child to the daycare in case he or she is sick. You dash
Ma'am,
also
should.
ensure.
You should.
Very good.
You
Very
should.
good.
Should.
If someone else is coming to pick up the child, you dash inform us in advance.
Ma'am, should.
Ma'am, you should. You should.
Should.
You should.
Must.
Can maybe. Can means you're giving them option. You should inform us. He or she
Must.
dash. Must is correct. He or she dash show a permission letter from you.
Ma'am, would.
Hmm?
Would.
Would is the future tense for will, beta. Why are you going for would? Must or should? Here again. He or she
Yes.
should show a permission letter or he or
Should.
she must show a permission letter. This was all should, must. Huh? Second one, wala pura, all the blanks were should or must only.
Yes.
Let's come to the third and the fourth one. Let's see who does it first. Finish the third and fourth and raise your hands. See, this is the first topic of your UT1 syllabus. You've got your UTs in June, unit test. So we are going according to the unit test syllabus. Modals will be coming. So this is there. And you remember analytical paragraph? I have revised with you.
Yes.
Analytical
ma'am.
paragraph
Yes,
will
ma'am.
also
Yes,
be
ma'am.
the UT syllabus. I'll share it with you today or tomorrow on your class groups. The syllabus for unit test, it is in June. Okay. And analytical paragraph is coming, modals are coming. So I've taken up
From when it will be starting?
June last week, beta.
Ma'am, online.
Okay, ma'am. Online or offline?
Of course, it has to be online. You can see the condition. There are no chances at all that you're going to have offline. 4 students have already done. I'm waiting for others. Better do the third and the fourth and raise your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is there any book for English grammar?
We have books which is available in the set. But exactly which publication, even I'm not sure. I'll find out from sir, principal sir, and let you know. But even if you keep on doing what I'm doing with you in the online classes, it is sufficient, beta. You won't even need a book. But still, I'll find out about which publication has been put in the book set.
Thank you, ma'am.
If someone has purchased the book set, then it must be there. Has anyone purchased the entire book set?
Ma'am, only NCERT books are available. Ma'am, when we purchased.
Okay, never mind. You can practice with me. Grammar is all about practice. And writing section, I see you have a D group now. Yes or no?
Ma'am, don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh no, there is a D group.
No, ma'am, we don't have that.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have.
We
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Every class has a D group.
Ma'am,
10th it does not have it.
It's not possible. Every class has a D group. 10th, which section you're saying does not have?
A.
A.
Who's the class teacher? Neeraj sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
He is also positive. Maybe that is why it's not done yet. I'll just see if I can make it today. See, beta, there is one D group. Whatever work is done every day, it is posted in that group. We are not supposed to write anything in that group. Nobody can write any message in that group. Strict rules are there. You will only get the work done in that group. So you can always keep seeing the PDFs, exercises, whatever work is done every day. For 10th A, I'll speak to principal sir today. I'll request some other section teacher to prepare it for you.
Okay,
Whatever
ma'am.
is
Thank you,
done, like
ma'am.
today's grammar exercise, whatever we have done today,
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll be posting that PDF in that group. Analytical paragraph I did yesterday, that same thing I posted on the group. So you have to simply do what? You have to simply open the D group and see what all work is there.
And ma'am,
Nothing
what about
else.
10th A?
You're not allowed to do anything else in that group. Nobody can write messages on that group.
Ma'am, in 10th A?
10th A will tell the teachers today to prepare, and whatever work is missed out, we'll request the teachers to post that work also. 10th A, surprisingly, we don't have the D group yet. Chalo, let me check.
Ma'am, is there any new timetable?
Yes, it was already posted yesterday on your class groups. Which class it is not posted?
10th A.
10th which section?
10th.
10th it is not posted.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, all 10th class students it is not posted.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
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 It is not posted. Chalo, I'll do one thing. Just give me 1 second. I'm posting the 10th day timetable. Maybe because sir is not well now, beta. That is why your work is not being done. Let's pray soon that Neeraj sir also becomes fine. It's long time he's positive. I'm posting the 10th day timetable. 10th day students, just see on your group. Has it come? See?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we
Yeah.
need to make a D group also for your class. I'll see today. I'll do this. Okay. Chalo. Sir is not well, bacha. That is the reason. Let's pray God that sir bhi jaldi se theek ho jaye. Okay, third and fourth is done. Who will speak the third one? Speak.
The authorities should check every tourist bag as they have received a threat call.
Do you agree with the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Now somebody else, the next sentence, one by one, keep speaking.
Ma'am, in case of emergency, they must ensure that they are extra cautions.
Some people get
Do you agree with the
upset
answer?
because yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Continue then, continue. Next one.
some people get upset because of the time it takes, but I think we should understand its importance as well.
Good, good. Do you agree with the answers?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So good. Now somebody else. Somebody else. Your turn now.
We
Speak.
must cooperate with the process.
Good. Next. Continue. Hmm. Yes, yes.
Arunima cannot accompany you to the carnival as
Hmm.
she she must complete her project.
Do you agree with the answer? Arunima cannot accompany you to the carnival as she dash complete her project. Hmm?
Must.
What could
She should.
she should
Ma'am,
complete her
have
project?
to.
She
Ma'am,
has
she
to
would.
complete. Yes, she has to is also correct. She dash submitted tomorrow to pass the examination. Tell me this one.
Ma'am has to.
Very good.
Has to.
So good. In case of any delay, she dash inform her teacher or in the school office.
She
Must.
should inform.
Ma'am, she should.
She should inform. Okay, she should inform or she has to inform. Both can be taken as correct, Beta. Okay. She dash not worry if she is able to submit the project tomorrow.
Need not. Should
Not.
She need not.
Very good, very good. She need not worry. Too good. She need not worry. So we are done with the third and the fourth. Now the time to do the fifth and the sixth. Charlie, do the fifth and sixth. Raise your hands.
Ma'am, can you repeat fourth one answers again?
Beta, one of you speak out. Whatever Dhananjay is asking, speak. I'll see if it is correct.
Yes. Arunima cannot accompany you to the carnival as she should complete her project. She she should she has to submit it tomorrow to pass the examination. In case of any delay, she should inform her teacher or in the school office. She need not worry if she is able to submit her project tomorrow.
Is it okay, Beta, or should I also speak once? Or you've written?
Ma'am, can you repeat
Very good.
first one? Ma'am, can you repeat first one?
Beta, one of you repeat the first one also.
Arunima cannot accompany you to the carnival as she should complete her project.
Very good.
Okay,
Anything
ma'am.
else? Anything
No,
else you
ma'am.
want us to repeat? Please tell us, okay? Now do it quickly. The fifth and the sixth. Very good, very good. Those who finish fifth and sixth, raise your hands. Okay, 4 students have already raised their hands. Speak out the 5th one, beta. One by one, speak the answers.
Ma'am, the doctor can help you only if you follow his advice.
You should take your medicine on time.
Good, good. Continue.
You should listen to your doctor because he knows what is good for you.
Very good. Come on, beta.
Once you start following his advice, you don't need to worry about your health.
Good. The last one is left.
Also remind me that I should see my doctor tomorrow.
Should see or need to see, both would be correct. Okay. Very good. Who will speak the 6th one? Nobody's yet finished the 6th one?
I must say, there was nothing wrong with Helen Keller. She was
Okay. What will be the second blank of 6th one?
Unable to walk. Okay. Or not walk. Continue, beta.
she was unable to walk when she was she was a year old. Uh, she
See? Yes, try. Help Dhananjay children. What should be the answer? She
Should.
no.
unable.
She could say a few words. Could say. Past tense, no? Of can. She could say.
Yes.
Okay, continue. She could say a few words, but one day the child fell ill. She dash have been very ill.
She should.
No.
She could.
She must have been.
Must.
Yes, very good. She must have been very ill. Soon her parents learned that she dash never be.
Ma'am,
See
she
and hear.
will.
Very
She
good.
can.
She will never be. She will never be. Dash see and hear. Able to see and hear. Let's do this again. One of you speak the entire 6th one again because many students have still not got it. One of you please speak the 6th one.
Yes.
I must say there was nothing wrong with Helen Keller. She was unable to walk when she was a year old. She could say a few words, but one day a child fell ill. She must have been very ill. Soon her parents learned that she will never be able to hear and see.
Very good, very good. Now let me show you the 7th one. Okay. Have you read about Helen Keller? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Let me show you. Okay, the last two now, 7th and 8th.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first one?
Yes, Peter, want to say something?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the answer of first one? Question 6.
Should.
I
Okay.
dash say there was nothing wrong with Helen
Should.
Keller. I
Must.
should say, I must say, or I should say, both would be correct. Dhananjay, after you finish, who else is also writing, please post your answers in the group.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
that exercise we will find in the D
Okay,
group,
ma'am.
and you post your work on D group only. Dhananjay, you post on D group. All those who are writing. Who else is writing?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Hmm.
me,
ma'am,
Sanya is right.
Very good,
ma'am,
Sanya. So I'll post the
Ma'am,
exercise on the D group. Both the groups you post your answers.
ma'am, we can't post on D group.
yes, ma'am.
Acha, only teachers can post.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Admins
ma'am.
can
It's okay. You post on the group, I'll pick up from the group and post it on the D group. The exercise also I'll post, my PDF also, and your solutions also. Hurry up, hurry up. 7th and 8th is left. Do it quickly. Those who finish, raise your hands. Oh, wow. Many people have done. Chalo, beta. Then let's start. Speak the 7th one. Start speaking. One sentence, one child. Start.
When you study, you should choose a quiet place.
Very good.
You
Continue.
can study at home or in a library.
Very, very good. Continue,
You
Bachcha.
should set a schedule so you study at the same time every
Good. Continue.
Forming a study group with other students will help you.
Good. Continue.
You should learn effective study strategies if you want to succeed in college.
Good. Very good. If you want to succeed in college. Let's move on to the 8th one now. This is the last one of this PDF.
Welcome to the army camp. You should have your hair cut very short in the first month.
Very good. You should
After
have.
that,
Hmm.
after that, you can grow it longer.
But it should never touch your collar.
Your uniform should be kept clean and tidy.
Boots and buttons should be polished daily.
You should undergo
You must-
medical examination.
You can undergo medical examination once a year during service.
क्या कह रही है? Continue, Bachi. The 8th one. Start from again. I mean, there was some problem. I could not hear anything. Start the 8th one again, right from the beginning. Start.
Welcome to the army camp. You should have your hair cut very short in the first month. After that, you can grow it longer, but it should never touch your collar.
Very good. Next.
Your uniform should be kept clean and tidy.
Good. Next.
Boots and buttons should be polished daily.
You should undergo medical examinations once a year during service.
You should undergo medical examination once a year during the service. Now, one of you speak the entire eighth one, the pura one. Who'll speak? All the four blanks, 4, 5, whatever blanks you have, speak. So that those who have not written can copy and speak a little slowly. Just start, beta. Speak a little slowly, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Welcome to the army camp. You should have your hair cut very short in the first month. After that, you must grow it. You can grow it longer, but it should never touch your collar. Your uniform should be kept clean and tidy. Boots and buttons should be polished daily. You should undergo medical examinations once a year during service.
Okay, so you've written the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because when we discussed at that time, some of them are not able to write. So it is very important that we discuss. Did you find any of these paragraphs difficult from 1 to 8?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good. So that means you'll be able to do the modals very easily in case when it comes in the UT. I'll post your unit test syllabus also to the children. Okay. Now let's move on to the next one. I'm showing you the next exercise. Try doing this. Okay.
Ma'am, you will send the syllabus for all the subjects.
Do this first one. Give syllabus for the entire subjects. All subject I'll post one PDF. I've compiled the entire syllabus. We'll just post it for you. Better do this exercise quickly. Raise your hands. Okay, are we done? Who will speak the answers? Let me see. Let's take it as a challenge.
Yes, ma'am.
Start. You'll have to speak all the parts. Who is taking the challenge? Who will speak? Come on, let me see who can take the challenge. Hurry up.
Yes, ma'am. I will try. Alice is feeling bored and drowsy while sitting on the riverbank with her oldest sister, who was reading a book with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a
Very good,
waistcoat
very good. Keep on
and
trying, beta. Continue.
pocket watch talking to itself as it ran past. She followed she followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly falling a long way to a curious hall with many log tools. And
See,
then,
very good. She's trying. Do you agree with the answers? Or do you have a different
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
in the blanks? Beta, speak once again slowly so that others can write the answers. Once again, Bache,
yes,
slowly, so that they can copy down.
Alice is feeling bored and drowsy while sitting on the river bank with her older sister. She was reading a book with no pictures or conversations. She then noticed a white rabbit wearing a waistcoat and pocket watch talking to itself. As it ran past, she followed it down a rabbit hole, but suddenly falling a long way to a curious hall with many log doors.
Have you copied down the answers, correct ones?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are writing. Do you have a different
Ma'am,
answer?
ma'am, can we send after the classes solution?
That's okay. If you want, you can do that. But please write your name when you post your answers.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Make sure you write your names, huh? Fine. It's okay. You can lead the class. It's already time, but make sure you post your answers. Okay, bache?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you, beta.